So friends, if you will not speak English, you won't be able to get a bright future and you won't be able to change your life. Right now the time is that the online media is not helping too much because there is too much competition. I think so that YouTube is giving too much competition also. YouTube is giving very diverse results, and right now I don't think so that YouTube is good for some knowledgeable person, some, because right now YouTube is showing only those videos which are getting high audience retention, and it may be some monotonous people who just making their local language and vulgar language videos, and people also want to watch it, and then YouTube is promoting them. So it is not right now good. It is not right now good that that kind of videos should be promoted by YouTube, but it's okay. But YouTube has a facility that if you want to find your genre kind of videos, you can find it. You can find it anywhere. You just want to find it everywhere, so you can search it and you can get it. That is the plus point. But for trending things, the YouTube algorithm doesn't know that, and directly they are spreading the vulgarity, and which is not good. It should not be good, but it's okay. So what we can do in this competitive world, in this pandemic situation, and we don't have a money, so I found a better things is that we have to upgrade ourselves. We have to upgrade our communication skills, because in future, if you will not upgrade our communication skills, then you will not get a business from other countries, and practically money is not existing in this country. I think so that money is coming from outside. That's why government has opened more than 80% FDIs in many sectors. So as usually government also knows that the country is not generating money, and that's why Sensex is going up every time, because FDI is coming. Foreign direct investment is coming. Foreigners are putting their money. So the thing is that you have to upgrade your communication skills. When you will upgrade your communication skills, then you will be able to survive very easily. Because in India there are million trillion people who will give you competition while you will go for interviews. Million trillion people will tell you that they have a capabilities to do the job, and everywhere you will find tough competition. So only the way to get rid of that competition is that you have to speak English so nicely. So how you can speak English? Meanwhile, while I was trying to speak English, I also asked this question so many times to my friends, to my teacher. I have done 4 or 5 months coaching also, so where I can get, where I got better guidance also. Most of people have said that if you are not doing practice, then you won't be able to speak English. First thing is that. Second thing is that you have to read more books. It should be novels, it should be your interest-based books, it should be any kind of books. But read more books, because I know that everyone has a complaint that we cannot speak English with anyone, because we don't have a English speaking family. And I will say that if we do have English speaking family, then there will be no kind of problem of English speaking, and if there will be no problem in English speaking, then there will be no competition, and if there will be no competition of English speaking, then how a English speaking person will get advantage of English communication. So it's a good thing, but it's really very hard thing in terms of learning English. I do understand that. So as usual, I told you from my experiences that I know that this video will not go viral. I really know that. So in many videos I will try to repeat those words which I want to say to everyone. Anyhow, one video will go viral, then most people will watch it. The thing is that you have to speak and repeat words with all your favorite video from mobile, from YouTube, from video games, whatever you like cricket, and you have to listen the commentary in English and you have to try to repeat those words. What an incredible shot, what a lethal shot, what a good shot. So the lethal word which I pronounced previous sentence, I have learned it from cricket commentary. So I done this thing, I was repeating keywords many times. If you listen a lot of little things from anywhere, first try to get those things from movies, whatever you like. I do like camera things also, camera and DSLR things. So most of people were making videos who were foreigners, and foreigners are very good in terms of English speaking, and they were also making a camera videos. So I was interesting to watch camera videos. So I said that okay, I thought that I will learn English from those English speaking person who are making camera videos. So I just starting to follow them and watching the camera videos and starting to repeat those words, whatever they were saying in video, and gradually take 1, 2, 3, 4 years to grab that thing. So never lose hope and never lose your temper, and never thought that you will speak English in 3 months. No, you will speak English after 3, 4 years, but you have to do this practice spontaneously to speak English. You have to just watch your favorite videos, watch your favorite Netflix series. I am not saying Amazon series, Netflix series, any kind of series, any kind of platform do you like, OTT platform which you like most. But my motto is that you have to choose your favorite genre, and my favorite genre was camera, DSLR things. I do like very much camera and video making things also. So you have to find your favorite genre and try to listen and learn those things from foreigners, because obviously they speak in English, and catch their small words. And when you will catch their small words, then try to repeat in daily language. Try to repeat. Suppose that they said that this is an incredible camera and this has a very good depth of field, which is called bokeh. So I just grab those words and I start repeating. This is a very incredible camera. This has a very incredible depth of field, which is called bokeh. This is an incredible camera. It has a very incredible depth of field and it's called bokeh. This is very incredible camera. And this has a very incredible depth of field and which is called bokeh. This is very incredible camera and it has a very incredible depth of field which is called bokeh. So this kind of repetitions of words has taught me English speaking. So as a friend I will tell you that you have to speak English by repetition words, and it will take 3 or 4 years, but you have to increase your practice daily. I average, sometimes in my life I do practice for 8 hours, sometimes I do practice for 4 hours, sometimes I do practice for 3 hours, but most of the time I do practice 6-7 hours in my life. And if someday I was not able to speak English spontaneously 4 hours, so I never left that I cannot speak next day I try to speak. Oh, again I will try to speak today 6 hours, because yesterday I was not able to speak 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours. I was able to speak only 3 or 4 hours max. So I never lose the rhythm, and I never lose the pitch to practice, because I just want to speak English like foreigners. So it took around 4-5 years to get me this stage where I right now I am. And I was talking about YouTube, what YouTube is doing. YouTube is giving problem. YouTube is doing right according to their viewer views and engagement, that he just want to increase the engagement on their website. That's why he just want to set the technical things, that if the user is showing interest, then that kind of videos will survive and the other kind of video will not survive. But this negative thing is happening, that most of vulgar things are spreading on YouTube again, because as usually human nature is that you have to make those things also, and if you will make more those things, then it will be like that. So vulgar things will become like that also. So you have to do it. You have to speak English every time, and you have to speak English every day also. And vulgar things will spread very fast, and people will show more interest, then they will give you more watch time on YouTube, and YouTube algorithm automatically understands and spread this video, and it will automatically spread again vulgarity. The example is that I was searching on YouTube that Jodhpur vlogs, and I got only 3 to 4 vlogs better, and there again vulgar kind of videos was coming in Jodhpur. And I said that, but what YouTube is doing, I'm just looking for Jodhpur vlog, and it is showing again vulgarity on me at the keyword Jodhpur vlog. So again YouTube is doing mistake, their algorithm is doing mistake, because whatever the people is searching, they are not getting accurate full result. They are getting also vulgarity in between those videos, and which is spreading very fast, which is coming on top very fast, which is not good for YouTube. Because we don't like this thing, because what we are looking, then we should get that. And I'm not complaining that it cannot help other people to become viral, but I'm complaining that at least you should provide a better result. At least you should provide a incredible result, and at least you should provide a good result. It doesn't matter, because most of time if your algorithm will think that vulgarity, algorithm doesn't know it's a vulgarity, and it will think about that is a better video, and we have to spread it. Then we will spread it, then we will get more advertisement on that video, more people will watch it, and you will find that desi local people will get again publicity. So it's not good, because anyhow the intellectual people will say that this site is becoming again, providing vulgarity on internet, and it's not giving us better result. And we are just doing complaints because YouTube is only one platform where you can find more videos right now. I don't know what will be in future, but vulgarity should be not there. So they should change again their algorithm, and they will think again that it is right if people are showing interest in some videos, they should have to spread it. But I am not saying that they should spread the local, desi, misleading people who is just showing their vulgarity or vulgar language on YouTube, and you are just promoting them to get your more advertisement or trying to engage more people, because vulgarity will waste your time. Indirectly it is making a vulgar site, it it is giving a representation that YouTube is again vulgar site, and you will not get. You can get a more watch time. It is good, but your more watch time is not a method which will tell you this is the best time and this is the best website and people are spending too much time on this thing and this is not a vulgar site. No. Your content quality should be incredible, but your algorithm will not support those people who is doing too much hard work to giving better content, giving incredible content, because sometimes better and quality contents are not interesting sometimes, but it is knowledgeable. So it's a quite big debate that knowledgeable things sometimes is not interesting, but knowledgeable things is more valuable than vulgarity. So I will say that you have to understand that content is more knowledgeable, more helpful for human to spread and get more knowledge. So YouTube should spread more knowledgeable content rather than the content who is getting more attention. I absolutely know that you will say that Hindi songs and music videos are also good and they are getting more engagement by people, and there is no vulgarity also, and there is a very good audience retention rates, and then we are showing them very much because our algorithm is helping them. I'm saying it's good, but by this algorithm help, again the vulgarity is growing very fast on YouTube. So this is my suggestion, that YouTube is losing their authority to provide a genuine, knowledgeable content to all people. So what will the thing? The people will understand that we will not find a useful content easily on YouTube, then they will leave the YouTube, or they have to do too much hard work to dig down in YouTube to get a better content. And this competitive world, I was saying that everyone has to improve and upgrade themselves in terms of communication. If they will upgrade themselves, then they will get a business from foreigners. So I was saying that how foreigners can help. Foreigners will only understand the communication skills which is in English. Then they will truly understand your business, your way of business, your way of presenting the work, and they will definitely give you work. And if you will get work from the foreigners, then you will definitely get the opportunity to grow, because foreigners is also from USA and Europe and other countries, and they usually speak English, so they will give you opportunity to grow fast. So I would say to you that everyone has to speak English, and everyone has to improve themselves, and everyone has to improve the communication skills, and then they will be easily able to get business from foreigners easily, and foreigners will help them a lot. Foreigners will give them a big opportunity to grow fast. Foreigner will give them more business, and then you will be also able to represent yourself in front of world with other world, while people are not speaking your language, people are speaking different language, and also they will understand your communication skills and your capabilities, and they will praise you. So please, I would say that do English speaking practice, and will take for 5 years, but after 5 years you will definitely have a bright future. So please do it.